Alright guys, I'm currently in Minnesota for a grad school visit, but let me give you a room tour. It's so like antique Conjuring vibes. I'm a little scared. Pray that I wake up perfectly fine tomorrow. Minnesota is very gloomy and not New York, but it would rate this overall experience like a 7.5 out of 10. That's pretty good. What a nice way to go. Mishwe? Taste test. Thanks, Brett. Ooh. Xinyan Kuaila, everybody. Yeah. We're gonna eat. Always start with, I'm gonna do spicy. Large fry, fish fillet, and Kaylin is the 20-piece nugget. Drunk munchies girl. I'm not even drunk. This is us. McDonald's. It's cold. The fries are cold.
I can be the guy. Okay, you can be the guy. I feel like June. Never mind. Never mind. What were you gonna say? You got it, guys. Was me first? I can show you. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? Before, but that life's a bore, so full of the superficial. Once we start kissing, I found you.
Hello. I'm at Alex's place. We got crumble. Oh. We got mini crumble. Raspberry cheesecake, Biscoff, and s'more. Almond taste tester 해보겠습니다.
I thought it was huge one.
S'more taste
Wait,
test.
that's different?
Yeah.
Should we order?
No, it's okay. Mmm.
Good.
어때? 맛있어? Next. I love Biscoff.
Good.
Okay. Raspberry cheesecake. I don't wanna be a homeless.
Oh, you dropped it? Oh my god. How dare you? This is my best one.
This one? I love cheesecake. 다 맛있는데? We're at Raku. It's his first time. We got. You're doing it. 오빠 먼저 먹어.
No, same time.
It's my favorite. 니꾸랑 국물부터 일단 면까지 같이 먹어야 돼 이제.
안 가다. 너무 민데?
국물까지 찍어서.
여기까지?
뜨거울 것 같아.
나오고.
뭐가 추가해?
Very light. It's very like guys. There's no like 첨가물, just like straight out of like long broth.
면도 되게 맛있잖아.
Yeah.
캔.
Yeah. It's really good. Very 탄탄면.
진짜 맛있어?
I can only taste 들기름. 비싼 참기름. 들기름.
좋은 거야? Rate out of 10.
니꾸? This one? 국물만 봤을 때 나는 알아.
면까지 먹어. 칼국수 면 같네. 맛있을 것 같아.
국물이랑 같이 먹어야지.
진짜 맛있어.
Manhattan. We're at the movie theater. We're gonna watch Wuthering Heights. Look how big. Large iced tea, large. Movie's not starting. So much snow. We're going to get food to prepare for the blizzard. So much snow. After mixing, we're in a blizzard. I'm gonna taste test.
몇 개 끓였어 진짜? 네. 아, 세 개.
왜?
미쳤는데?
맛있어?
Snowing. 눈 엄청 쌓였어. Boy,
히. 자 이제 장갑은 누가 있지? 죽었어. 일로 와.
발에 신발이 들어갔어. 아, 손 시려. 잘못했어. 아, 죄송해요. 카메라 다 가리지 말고, 이씨.
아니 이거 뭉친 눈에 너무 좋다. 저번에 안 뭉쳤잖아.
맞아.
반대쪽에다 던져볼까?
눈 엄청 와.
Do you think I can risk?
No. No. 떨어졌어.
I can do it. You got it.
So much snow. Hee.